What's up, y'all? Happy Saturday. Welcome back to another vlog, you guys. So it's the afternoon. We're getting up out the house for a second. It is Resurrection Weekend. How did y'all spend y'all weekend? Because I know this vlog gonna be up in probably June.
Maybe.
Probably around that time.
Come on, nosy people.
Ooh, them eyelashes drive me crazy. I get it. It's a female car, but
Oh man, I hate those.
them eyelashes, I'm sorry if y'all got eyelashes on y'all car, but my personal preference.
I can't stand them, baby.
Josh, what you said?
Send them again.
I don't care for them, but they just, I don't know. They just doing a little bit too much, I feel. But anyway, it's not my car.
Yeah, I remember they used to have the balls hanging from the back of the car.
The men would do that. No, you
Look
don't.
at your nasty behind.
No, you don't. Absolutely
I'm not
not.
getting you none of those. Yeah, can I get some balls for my son, please? No.
Absolutely not.
Why you say no, Mom?
How that
That's
sound?
ratchet, but man, I know they probably mad because they had them people paint their house and look at it.
It is a mess.
It's like they had to fire them. That's what it looks like to me.
We something else. We like investigators.
Anyway, we're getting up out the house, y'all. It's been raining all day yesterday. Looks like it's gonna start raining a little bit today. But I know that we gotta get to the alley before they close because I gotta take that stuff back to H&M. So anyway, we've been getting out the house. I think 6. You wanna look it up?
Yeah, 6 or 7.
With it being a holiday in May, I don't know. But what I'm trying to say. So we're getting at the house for a little bit, and dang, babe, don't you got? Yes, you do. Hold on, yeah. This was the one that I had thought I lost when we went.
And I told her I found it.
But I had already bought another one.
The one that was left in the truck.
Yes, this was it.
I told you it was there.
No, you didn't. You was trying to go to Lost and Found at Budget.
Cause you asked me to, cause that's what you was so sure about.
No,
I live in that truck, man.
Well, I thought I did.
I'm trying to make you understand.
But remember, I was like, when I saw it, it was like a month or so later. I'm like, it was in here the whole time.
Yeah.
But I purchased another one. But anyway, this is for when Bae start vlogging, y'all.
Oh yeah, it's coming soon.
When he start vlogging too and helping me out.
Oh yeah. That's going down.
Y'all see what he be doing during the day. But anyway, so again, we've been trying to get out the house and make it to good. We need that extra hour to get some lunch for the longest. So Bae was actually off this weekend, y'all. Can y'all believe it?
Right.
I cannot believe it. But he had clients to take care of today because yesterday he had to go get Jalen and Jayla or whatever, y'all. My husband came back. He's, I guess, assumed sat down on the bed, laid down on the bed, and didn't get back up to today. So he pushed his clients to today, so he had to take care of them this morning. So we are going to go get us some lunch. We're just gonna go to Sneaky Pete's and get some hot dogs that sound really good.
Yeah.
Something really different.
Right.
Yeah, we're gonna do that. We gotta go to the grocery store because we gotta make the macaroni for Easter tomorrow. At Easter dinner at John's mom's house. Yeah, I don't know about y'all, but making dishes,
For family.
yeah, that's kind of like nerve-wracking to me. Like, we make a pretty good macaroni and cheese, you know what I'm saying? But there'll be like the time where something don't work out right, and that's your last impression on what you made. First and last.
They look at you different.
Yeah, like, who put them in charge of the macaroni and cheese? Hopefully it's like, who put them in charge of the macaroni and cheese? Hopefully it'll be like that.
I hope so too.
Yeah. You feel the stress, don't you?
No.
Okay, anyway.
That's all we got. We gonna eat it. Okay.
Yeah, but what if you go over there? We go over there.
And we hear somebody saying like, who made this macaroni?
Yes,
Now I know we made
go
it.
back. Or you see it's a lot left.
And nobody ain't eating it. They're picking around.
It's a lot left in the bag because somebody told somebody to somebody to eat the macaroni and cheese. But I'm praying that it works out well because our macaroni and cheese is pretty good.
It's dope.
We make it so many different ways. We're just gonna do it simple way and just let that be. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. Oh yes, we'll get you some. But you know, Josh likes it before it bakes. Yeah, so we'll have to do that. So we got to go to Walmart to pick up a couple things. We got the elbow noodles like probably some weeks ago. Went to the store because we knew that the gorilla kind is kind of I like.
Pretty popular.
They're usually gone or whatever. But yeah. So yeah, so we'll probably be doing double duty. Probably doing some prep of that today for our dinner. So we're gonna cook a small amount. Small dinner, very small dinner for home. So we'll have, and then we're gonna make what we need to make for tomorrow. So yeah, we're gonna try to get all this stuff done today. Let's see if it happens. I pray that it does.
You and me both, baby. You know what I'm saying?
We gotta help each other out, honey.
Why you say that? Like,
no, I'm saying like, make sure each no, get up. Like one of those things. Like we gotta make sure we both like, what you doing? Like,
you said that because that's how you gonna be doing me.
I honestly was saying, hopefully you won't be doing me like that.
Yeah, because you can find some other stuff to do besides what we're supposed to be doing, man.
What's your mom calling me?
For real.
Hey, Mom. Yeah, I couldn't tell y'all where we were going. I think I've been trying to tell y'all since we left, since we got in the car. So we're at Sneaky Pete's grabbing some lunch. I gotta remember to look over here. Grabbing some lunch, and then we're gonna go to Walmart real quick. So to pick up the things that we need to for tomorrow. That was Babe's mom, who had called us or whatever. So we was talking to her. Oh, Jalen now.
Really?
He just got home.
Yeah.
So, yeah, so if I get our food, I'll show you what we get. Oh, thank you
so much.
One, two. Some dreams they dream, some dreams come true.
Y'all find anything? Sure, it's big.
Yeah, I gotta get the other size. I thought I picked up the other one, but I can't.
This for 8.
Any day, but can be for
What it say? The Great Summer Tour. I think your shirt say something like that. Josh, your little outfit, but it's
I like it.
okay. Okay.
You don't like it?
We're going to the Nike store too.
I got the shirt that Louis, but I don't want to get it.
I get it. Alright. Josh, you ain't like these plain ones right here? You wanted the tie-dye kind?
Baby, well, that.
They match the brain. They don't?
Yeah.
Well, just get the ones you wanted.
They do.
What size is that? Don't have a medium? Them smalls, you already saw how the mediums did you. I told you to get these. What was the difference? What was the difference? Oh, which we probably need. We're in Walmart now, getting stuff for tomorrow. And I'm tired because we just left the outlet. The kids are gone too. We have some. Because that's what I've been eating. You want your chips that you like? I don't know, do it. The kids are going to do shift, so now we're in Walmart. We don't even feel like it, but we got to get the stuff to take to my mother-in-law's house tomorrow, and then the stuff we need for home tomorrow.
Yeah.
So y'all, the weather has dropped. You see what I got on? It's so cold here. Yeah, I had to pick that up while we were out. I thought my watch had the weather on it, but y'all, it's like, it's gotta be like 40, maybe 50 degrees, but the 50 is like cold, like really, really cold. It's super awkward. Vlogging in the store, but I'm trying to like not let nobody
break through, y'all.
Yeah,
break through.
Pushing through.
How y'all doing?
It's so weird. But anyway, we're gonna pick up the stuff we gotta pick up. I'll let y'all see what we pick up, and then we'll see y'all later.
That's going up on this too.
Yeah, because we buy enough of it.
Like $2 or something.
Y'all, these look so good, but I don't need none. I don't need none, but look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a bird in Walmart and they freaking out.
Get me out of here. Get me out of here. What a man is that?
So Josh needed some deodorant. He needed some soap.
What is the manager?
Why they don't do these in the 2-packs? But Josh just got some mouthwash, so we need some. Hey, it's gone, honey. It's on the other side.
You gotta go with that.
Well, but you gotta get some mouthwash first. This is not funny at all.
Man.
It's not.
Y'all so weird.
Well, we're just gonna keep it moving, babe.
You've been a little too real right
I mean, I'm just saying, do y'all like mouthwash without, do y'all like mouthwash without the alcohol? If it's Listerine, then why buy Listerine? You might as well buy a watered down version.
Yeah, we take some water down.
You know what I mean? So we definitely not gonna do that.
We paying $9 for it.
Oh, y'all. We've seen so many people that we know in this Walmart. It's crazy. Because we're at a Walmart that we,
I've been to them.
since we moved where we are, kinda. Hey, stop tripping. Just come on, man.
But did you hear that tweet?
Babe,
that
go.
tweet?
Go, babe. Y'all. See what I can smell. You know when you walk on this aisle and you know something's smelling really good and you try to figure out where it is? I just like this color, I think. That ain't it. Blackberry apple. That's alright. Something is smelling really good though. Yeah, I don't know where it's at. It's like right over in this area. That's not it. Hey, honey. All right. I just made a pit stop.
Yeah.
Ready?
Money, please.
I didn't even get one. See? I smell it, but I don't know what it is. I wanted to. Oh, I think this might be it. That one smells pretty good. Okay, stay on track. Let's go. I'm ready. Y'all, Dove got all these new scents. You need the same size we got, don't you?
What the color?
You don't think so? What's that? What do they have? Oh, we can find them a different kind.
Yeah.
All these like new scents and stuff, y'all, they smell so good. We were here like smelling all of them. Like they smell so good.
I'm gonna get this. Try this from
For Josh. We'll see how it smells.
No, we smelled the soothing care. Said that was a little bit cleaner.
Oh, okay. Did you smell the? Oh, we did smell the dryness relief.
Try to invigorate. See if that smells.
I bet this aloe and eucalyptus oil smells so good.
Thank you for shopping at Walmart.
Oh yeah, that's him right there.
That's Joshi.
Yeah, this might be us too. You smell it?
Yes, it smells good. It smells a little minty.
Yeah, eucalyptus is in there.
Yes, it is.